your English language class, children. In the previous class we were doing adjective, and today also we will do an exercise from adjective. So open your book at page number 26. We will do this exercise now. Exercise number 8. Is it clear? Yes. I hope you have done the previous exercises properly. Then send it for correction, and when you send, don't send too many pages together. Maximum 3 pages together. It is very difficult for me to check because so many corrections are to be done in small place. So many corrections are to be done. Okay. So it's not comfortable. Okay. It's not easy to check in the mobile. If you send 7 pages, some of you are sending 3 chapters all together. So it's very difficult. Send. I'm not saying you don't send. Send for correction, but maximum 3 at a time. Okay, keep it in your mind. Okay, so that I can check properly and give it back to you in less time. Okay, clear? Okay, children. So let us do exercise 8. See, study the pictures given below. See, the pictures are given. You have to read it first. Let us read. I'll read it for you loudly. You follow me. Take a pencil in your hand too. See, number 1, we can see the pictures. It is windy today. It is windy today. Look at the was written in with red ink. Okay. So it is windy today. It was windier yesterday. It was the windiest. It was the windiest on Friday. Okay. It is windy today. Windy, adjective. It was windier yesterday, and it was the windiest on Friday. We are comparing the 3 adjectives. That is windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Windy is in positive form. So when we make the comparative, when I am comparing 2 days, I have said it was windier yesterday. Now see what I am doing. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Now when we make the comparison and the last word of the letter of the adjective ends with Y, then what we will do? In place of Y, we will write I. Okay. We will not write, we'll strike off Y and we'll write here I, then we will add ER. So we are replacing Y with I, and then we will write ER. So what we have seen, it was windier yesterday. So this is comparative, this was positive, and this will be superlative. Okay, now superlative, it was the windiest day on Friday. So how we will make? W-I-N-D, in place of Y we are writing I, then we are adding E-S-T. Windiest. Okay, here we have added year. So windy, windier, windiest. Clear? Now look at the next picture. Read the sentences. We can see the picture of a dog. Okay, wolf and a tiger. A stray dog is dangerous. A wolf is more dangerous than a dog. A tiger is the most dangerous of the 3. Now we are comparing 3. So that is superlative. What we have seen here, if the adjective is a long word like dangerous, so we put the word more before comparative when we are comparing 2, and most when we are comparing more than 2 things. Like here we are comparing a dog with a wolf and with a tiger. So what we have seen, we have written dangerous, D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous, it will become in comparative more dangerous. M-O-R-E, more dangerous. dangerous. So, and again we have added here, wolf is more dangerous than. Okay, as it is comparative, we have written than. Now comes the superlative. So superlative, the most dangerous. So what we have found? Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. In this way, if it is beautiful, it will be more beautiful, most beautiful, beautiful, a long word. Intelligent. He is an intelligent boy. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Then Ram is more intelligent than Ravi. Then Mohan is the intelligent, is the most intelligent. Okay, so in superlative we'll use most, the most. Clear? So these are the things how we have to remember and say. Now there are some adjectives, they are known as irregular adjectives. Okay, they do not follow any rules. This also, I am giving you one example, one or two example I am giving you. I think you also know this still. Now if I say Ravi is a good boy, okay. If I say Shukalpa is a good boy, okay. Girl, sorry, Sukalpa is a good girl. So, good. So, if there is one girl who is what I'll say, more good, then which word I will use? Gooder. Then superlative will be goodest. No. Here it is called irregular adjectives. Here we don't follow any rule. The word is totally different. Good, better. If I take the name of one more girl, dash, any girl, Sita is better than Sukalpa, and there is Sunita. Sunita is the best girl of the class. Okay, so good, better, best. Then bad, bad. I have received a bad news today. If it is bad, then not badder, baddest. Bad, worse, worst. Okay, this way many more words are there. Much, more, most. Suppose much, more, most in comparative, superlative. Okay, so here they are known as irregular adjectives. They do not follow any rule like adding er in the comparative, adding est in the comparative. Okay, so but you have to make use of then here and the before best. He is the best boy. Okay, he is the best boy. If I say best, the. Okay, this rule will be there. So we have done this. Now in exercise number 9, we will complete the table giving the comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives. So you go through this first, and then in the next class we will do this exercise also. Thank you.